What it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy. 2 Y's. You know what I'm saying? Back in the Mob Museum with another banger, broski. Yo, I'm coming today with one of the mystery Hypebeast unboxing jumps. You know what I'm saying? I've been seeing a whole lot of kids ordering them jumps, and I was like, fuck it. Went and found me one on the net. You know what I mean? Bow. Box already open. So let's go straight in, broski. What we're gonna waste time for? Before I do anything, I gotta give a major shout out and salute to all my OGs, youngins, day ones, and new members alike, broski. You know what I mean? Shout out to the mob, man. If you don't know who the mob is, the mafia is my family. That's what that mean to me. You know what I'm saying? Love all my subscribers, broski. Pull you up a seat to the table, hit the subscribe and the notification bell, man. Join along. We have a good time, broski. Put into the box, broski. Got a box full of stuff that I bought individually and put inside the box already. Yeah, man, a little bit of clickbait, you know what I'm saying? Bro, I feel like that's what these cats be doing anyway. Nah. That's shade. That's all shade. I really don't feel like that. I don't know what these motherfuckers be doing. Me personally, would I buy a mystery Hypebeast box not knowing what's in it? Nah, I wouldn't, but I guess, you know what I'm saying, it make for a good video. But yeah. Number one, let's see what this is. This been in the crib since yesterday. I went up in a live stream yesterday. Y'all know I had an unboxing on the way. I had a whole bunch of shit. And yeah, straight to it. Oh, got that heat. Got that heat. I ain't got no personal branding on the tag or nothing. It's a Hanes shirt, you know what I mean? Nothing but a little Hanes mob only joint. You know what I'm saying? Super soft. Feel like it's comfortable as hell, bro. I cannot wait to wear this. Y'all see that? We official now, bro. Oh shit. But yeah, that's gonna be hard though. That's a win. Good mobbing on the back. Signature mob heart. So yeah. This finally landed. Probably gonna see me wearing this in the very next video I do. Gotta make sure I come up with a video soon, just so I can see myself wearing it on camera, bro. Cat's out the bag. You know what I mean? Got some, what's this? This some Supreme. Might as well say the Supreme. Well, nah, this ain't even nothing dope. See what we got from Supreme. Oh shit. Well, that shit don't even want to open, so I'm gonna go straight to this bag. I don't know if I showed y'all this tee or not yet, but when I went to Hypebeast Sports, I picked this up. Last time I went to Hypebeast Sports, I picked up this Fresh Prince tee to go with my Fresh Prince 5 No Less joints. They had a purple one, and I really wanted the purple, but they didn't. But they ain't have my size when I got this, so you know what I mean. This'll do. I fucks with it. Let me know. This'll win L in the comment box. WL in the comment box on this shirt. It's basic. It ain't no, you know what I mean, no fancy design or no collab, no shit like that. Just a dope ass little Fresh Prince shirt. You know what I mean? Staple joint. Everybody should have one of these. Probably find one of them in a fucking convenience store somewhere. Flea market. Anywhere. I needed one. Let me know if y'all got something similar to go with y'all Fresh Prince 5s. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, was this shirt winning that L? I ain't even gotta ask about this one. This one already big W, cause for one, every purchase, every shirt, I ain't even gotta ask about this one. This a big W. Every shirt that's purchased, bro, that's, you know what I'm saying, 10% get donated to the Children's Cancer Research Fund. So, you know what I'm saying, just rocking this is a W on its own. Next piece. Try to get back in this damn preem bag, man. That shit did not want to go. Usually I had a knife and just poke it open just so I could flip it open and look cool, but shit, I'm gonna start keeping it handy. Wasted a whole lot of time trying to get in that bag. One box logo sticker. I ain't got no more stickers. Nah, I ain't got no more stickers. That's trash. But I did get the thermal though. You know what I'm saying? It's winter time. I'ma probably wear it with my jerseys and, you know what I'm saying, t-shirts, wear it up under my t-shirts and all that. Need you a good thermal. Size large. Thermal crew. Gotta open it up just to see what a little Supreme is. I think it's like in that bottom little corner. It's an off-white jump. Look pretty hard, bro. I can wear this jump plain for real where this ass is. And it do got the little Supreme logo right there, real small. So yeah, mama back gonna like this. Can't go wrong with thermals in the wintertime, bro. Me personally, I gotta have them. I might even get me a pair of Butters this winter. Get me a pair of Timbs, dog. I ain't had a pair of Timberlands in like 3-4 years, bro. I'm overdue for a pair of Timbs. Y'all remind me to get a pair, bro. Matter of fact, download the Sneaker Steals app, and I think I seen they had the 6 inches, the classic 6-inch joint for like what's that, 156? Yeah, them joints like 156. So yeah, download that Sneakers app and make sure you get J23. It's like $2, you know what I'm saying? You'll be in the loop. I just did it recently. I've been hearing my other sneaker homies mention those 2 apps a lot. So I went on and jumped out, and man, if I had it, bro, I'd probably bought like 4 or 5 pair of shoes already. As far as steals go and, you know what I mean, retros being up on the retail. Yeah. I seen the Raptor Force pop up on the J23 app like 3 times already. But we got more stuff. Not much more. We do got one more box though. A little box right here, bro. Where the hell my knife at? Ain't nowhere in sight. Fuck it, straight in there, you know what I mean? And we got, oh shit, it's upside down. We got some more pops, man. We got the homie B.I.G., bro. I got 2 biggies. If anybody are into Funko Pops, need a biggie, hit me up. I got an extra, you know what I'm saying? One of the homies was supposed to grab it, I ain't hear from his ass. Then another one of the homies said he was gonna pick it up, I ain't heard from his ass. Y'all know how that shit go, man. So that one of them up for grabs. I'm gonna go ahead and throw one of my biggies. Matter of fact, let's check them out, dog. I gotta open one of them up. See how it looking. Oop. That one mine. A little bend on the top. Let's get him out, man. Hey. He look cool as shit, bro. I got this jersey too. Matter, I should have wore this jersey. That would have been fire. But yeah. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get a little picture. I'm gonna get an IG pic with the jersey on, and I'm gonna have him in front of the jersey and like have the focus on him. Not me, that shit'll be hard, but Biggie look cool as hell with the Versace shades, the bandana, yellow Biggie jersey. You know what I'm saying, with the butters. Holding him a mic. Damn, Biggie cool as shit. Do his head move? Yeah, his little head move. That's dope. I don't think nothing else move now. Just his head. I fucks with that though. And that was my fake, my fake Hypebeast unboxing, bro. You know what I'm saying? Keep it all the way real with y'all. I had already opened the pops. I just put the plastic back on net for the video. Give you what I like for being honest with y'all, bro. I'm pretty sure other YouTubers do it. Other YouTubers do it. Other reviewers do it. I ain't gonna put nobody on blast though. Shit, fuck it. If y'all real, pop up in the comment box, you know what I mean? Let me know y'all done faked the unboxing before. But yeah, man, fuck it. From my family to yours, bro, the next unboxings won't be fake. I just wanted to have some fun with the shit a little bit. From my family to yours, I'll stay all the way up, broski. All the way up.